So what I'm doing is these are my colours that are underneath the fur, the dark bits. So if I get them right first, when I come to do the light bits, it's going to be a lot easier. Let's do this nose crease. I'm in my black now. There we go. Put my alpha lock on. I'm getting near the edge. Reduce the size. Work my way around the mouth. Just increase it a little bit. And just doing the softness on the mouth, see? Just slowly. They've got serious looking faces. See some of these cats, don't they? Let's just put more into here, look, see? There we go. Now we're starting to get something. See? Right, I think it's time for the fur, short fur brush. So let's put in some, I think I'll go with the grey. I'm joining the long hairs. Increase it a little bit more. Joining the long hairs of the hairs in the ears. It. Let's bring some of this. Soft fur. Let's just change this brush. I'm going to do long fuzzy fur. Anything. The first time I'm using these brushes, so I'm trying out different. I'm going to go more brown. Let's try this fur base. This is nice, I like this. It's like smoke, it's like painting with smoke, look. That's better. It smudges up the short fur. good at getting that. That colour on that side. Bring this round. There we go. That's it. Just want to put a bit of darkness in there. It's like a little kink. There we go. A little bit of lightness just underneath. There you go, you see? That's it, I'm just going around this. A little bit of kink. Maybe push it back a little bit. That's it. There we go. I'm just getting that softness. Let's try some. Oh, that's interesting fur. I like that, but not that. Right. Let's bring it in gradual. A little bit more. Just play with the opacity. There we go. That's better, see? Oh, I like that fur brush. That's a better one, he said. Well, I just want to put in some brown, orangey fur. Just here. Of the eye, look. There we go. Maybe some dark brown bits. Let's just. Oh, whoa. Too big. Let's come back and do a smaller one. That's better. Little shadows beneath the long fur, look. And now where the eyes join in the crown, just going to put a little bit of darkness and makes a little bit of a land bridge, see? That's it. I'm just going to work on it's so subtle, the opacity levels now. Let's go back with my violets. A little bit darker. Change the opacity. That's better. Yeah, That's now we're getting somewhere. Look. Okay. Right. Got little bits of tufty bits.